Welcome to the Swazzle Puppet Studio. I'm Sean.
And I'm Patrick.
In episode 7, we showed you how to create a sphere from flat foam.
In today's episode, we'll show you how to modify that sphere and mock up your puppet body.
We'll also show you how to use paper patterning to make your puppet arms and hands. Let's get started!
To modify the foam mock-up, we'll be cutting out and adding pieces of foam, as well as cutting out darts and adding wedges, all the while comparing our foam mock-up to our Eric the Elephant design. Here are the materials you'll need for this step. Your foam ball and a piece of 1/2-inch foam, Persona blade, measuring tape, ruler, barge cement with a respirator and gloves, brown paper, masking tape, scissors, pattern weights, a Sharpie, pins, spray adhesive, and tag board. Use a Persona blade to cut your sphere and add foam as needed to achieve your desired shape. Measure and cut out a rectangular foam application to add to your sphere. This will start to elongate the shape of the body. Use barge cement to glue your foam application to your modified sphere. Remember to always follow all safety precautions. Work in a well-ventilated space, use a fan for forced ventilation, and always wear gloves and a respirator. Compare your mock-up to the design, then cut and glue darts to modify the shape as needed. Use paper and masking tape to rough in the shape of your arms. You can make tubes or cones or any shape that fits your design. Once you have your desired shape, cut it in half and use tracing paper to true it up and make sure it's symmetrical. Trace your pattern onto foam, cut the shape out, and glue it together. Pin the arm mock-ups to the body to see how the overall shapes are coming together. Trace the hands onto tracing paper to work out the shape of the palm, fingers, and thumb. For little pattern pieces, it's helpful to glue them onto tag board using spray glue before you cut them out. Trace your hands onto the foam. Since this is a mock-up, we're using 3/4 inch foam for the hands so we can shape them with scissors to get the desired look. Foam can be cut with a Persona blade or a bandsaw. Either way, always use caution and follow all the manufacturer's safety instructions. Use barge cement to glue the pieces together. Shape with small scissors to dial in the look you're trying to achieve. Glue the hands to the arms. Now you have a mock-up for your puppet's body, arms, and hands. If your puppet has legs and feet, you'll use the same process to create those as well. In our next episode, we'll show you how to cut apart these mock-ups to create your actual foam patterns. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single step, and we'll see you next time in the Swazzle Puppet Studio.